Allusion. An implicit or indirect reference to another work of literature. Historical or mythical person or event. Example. Not half so fixed the Trojan could remain, while Anna begged and Dido raged in vain. Pope, The Rape of the Lochi. Here is an allusion to the dilemma of Aeneas, the hero of Virgil's Aeneid. Aeneas falls in love with Dido, the queen of Carthage. Dido implores Aeneas to marry her and get settled permanently in Carthage. Aeneas was in dilemma. He had a noble duty to find out new territory for the Trojans, but he was also deeply in love with Dido. He was torn between love and duty. However, he finally decides to continue his voyage in search of a permanent empire foe, the Trojans. This dilemma of Aeneas has been recalled here to suggest the intensity of Belinda's crisis. More examples. The winged boy I knew. But who wast thou, O happy, happy dove? Keats, Ode to Psyche. The winged boy is an allusion to Cupid, the god of love. Perhaps the self-same song that found a path through the sad heart of Ruth, when, sick for home, she stood in tears amid the alien corn. Keats, Ode to a Nightingale. These lines allude to the suffering of Ruth, a character of the Old Testament.